Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all? My YouTube community and my sweet friends. I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet rugs. It's very beautiful collection and very amazing ideas. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and trending rugs ideas. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet rugs ideas. It's very cool collection and amazing articles. Thank you Viva for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So even now I am share with you the benefits of crochet rugs, and there is a benefits. Crochet rugs offer several benefits including soft and warm underfoot, easy to make and customize, gentle on floor and surface, can be made in various size and shapes, portable and easy to move, adds a touch of handmade charms to a room, can be used as a decorative accent or functional mat, easy to clean and maintain, can be made with sustainable and eco-friendly materials, a great way to upcycle and or repurpose yarn and materials. Crochet rugs are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your home decor. We'll always also using and enjoying the benefits of handmade, unique and cozy additions to your space. So we were the main question in the all the beginners mind, what is the crochet? So I am share with you the answers of this question. What is the crochet? Crochet is a popular handicraft that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a great hobby to for those who enjoy making things with their hands, and it can be very relaxed and relaxing. If you are looking for crochet resources, I can provide step-by-step instructions for basic crochet stitches and techniques. I can offer a wide range of crochet patterns for various projects, from scarves to blankets to afghans and toys. I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. What would you like to know or make? Let me know and I will do my best to assist you. So my lovely viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas of handmade crochet articles, or if you are crochet lovers, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. I hope viewer you all are understand with the benefits, with the details of crochet, and I hope this video is very helpful for beginners. And if you want more type of articles of crochet, so comment me, I can provide you the best articles of crochet. You can see all the articles are very trendy and amazing collection. Be connected with me friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay viewers, see you soon, take care, and Allah Hafiz.